And now, Larga! Fast to begin, we have Heroine, Hoy Tamana in the middle, Nichols Choice, Midnight Strike moving up, alongside is She's Commandant, Gigi Rodriguez, Jewel Nice is also there, then followed over by Hurricane G, moving up by there's Web Sacred Hall, King Manjo alongside Lirao, Vicky Val, third last, second last we have District 3, Wild Flight, Leebird is the early thriller, welling down the back, Midnight Strike, the early leader by about 3 lengths. Hoy Tamana in second alongside She's Commandant. Then moving up now is a Sacred Hall. Then followed over by Heroine. Nichols Choice is racing in 6 at this moment. Then followed over by Jewel on Ice. One moving up on the outside. Now is a little pass approaching. Then by the Hurricane G and King Manjo. Inside the last 500. Now we have 3 runners in a battle royale. The lead now belongs to Hoy Tamana. Sacred Hall in second. Midnight Strike drops back in third. Lirao improving on the outside as they race the last 350. Hoy Tamana by about a length and a half. Lirao now throwing a challenge on the outside, almost as one this time. Hoy Tamana, Lirao fighting it out for the lead. Lirao and Hoy Tamana. It's now Lirao doing the better over Hoy Tamana. Third, we have Heroine, Nichols Choice, then comes King Manjo.